We have our 3 black walnut slabs here that will be used to inset into our 1/4 inch thick steel. Now, the great thing about black walnut is it is a great wood to work with and it has a really nice finish. The piece of wood that I initially had to buy was 3 inches thick. So I went to Black Forest and they planed it down to 1 3/4 inches. Black Forest is fantastic. They squared everything up perfectly. And of course, there is no warpage within the wood. So sometimes you gotta buy the bigger piece just to get the end result that you're looking for.